Cable ties are essential for organizing and securing cables, preventing tangles, improving safety, and keeping spaces neat in homes, offices, cars, and DIY projects. My today's video is about top 5 best cable ties that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Mvyc Reusable Cable Ties. These cable ties offer a practical and efficient solution for managing cluttered wires in both home and office setups. With 120 pieces included, you get more than enough to organize everything from PC cables to TV cords. The hook and loop fastener design makes them incredibly user-friendly. Simply wrap, secure, and reopen whenever you need to rearrange. Their adjustability is a major advantage over traditional single-use zip ties. Built with high-quality microfiber cloth, these ties are durable and designed for repeated use without losing grip or tearing. Their versatility stands out, as they can tidy up everything from charger cords and audio cables to lamp wires and laptop chargers. The sleek black color blends seamlessly with most electronics for a clean, organized look. Overall, these reusable cable ties are a reliable and eco-friendly choice for anyone seeking a long-term cable management solution, supported by responsive customer service if needed. Now our second product is Anoson Black Cable Ties. This cable tie set delivers impressive versatility with 4 different sizes, 4-inch, 6, 8, and 12, each offering strong tensile strength from 18 to 45 pounds. With a total of 400 ties, divided evenly across all sizes, you get a comprehensive kit ready for everything from small cable management tasks to heavier-duty securing jobs. Their multi-purpose design makes them suitable for countless uses. Whether you're organizing electrical wires indoors, attaching garden fencing outside, or hanging lights for seasonal decor, these ties provide dependable grip and durability. The weather-resistant build ensures they perform effectively in both indoor and outdoor environments without becoming brittle. The generous quantity ensures long-term convenience, while the varying lengths offer flexibility for different projects around the home, office, garage, or garden. Backed by a 100 refund warranty, the manufacturer provides confidence and reassurance, making this cable tie pack a reliable, cost-effective choice for daily organization and DIY needs. Our third product is UV Protected Zip Ties. These 12-inch heavy-duty zip ties stand out for their strength, durability, and reliability, making them ideal for demanding cable management and fastening tasks. Made from high-quality nylon 66, they offer UL94V2 fire resistance, excellent heat tolerance, and strong UV protection, ensuring long-term performance indoors or outdoors. With a 50 pounds tensile strength, capable of reaching up to 70 pounds, they're built to handle tougher applications without slipping or breaking. Each pack includes 100 black zip ties neatly packed in a polybag with a hang hole for easy storage. The 300 mm length and 4.8 mm width allow a maximum bundle diameter of 3.23 inch, giving plenty of room for thicker cables or larger objects. The self-locking design ensures a secure, tight grip, while the weatherproof insulation makes them suitable for decorators, engineers, vintners, and everyday household use. Backed by a risk-free satisfaction guarantee, these zip ties offer dependable quality with customer-first support. Now number 4, Velcro Brand Reusable Cable Ties. These Velcro brand pre-cut cable ties deliver instant organization with a simple insert and pull design that secures cords in seconds. Unlike disposable zip ties, these reusable fasteners adjust easily, making them a cost-effective and eco-friendly option for anyone managing cables at home or in the office. Their soft yet durable hook and loop material protects cables from bending, twisting, or getting damaged under chairs or foot traffic, helping extend the life of your electronics. The flexibility of these wraps allows them to bundle everything from charging cords and gaming accessories to office wires and entertainment setups. They're ideal for keeping desks, workstations, and home environments neat and efficient. Their practicality even makes them a thoughtful stocking stuffer for 2025, useful, long-lasting, and genuinely appreciated. Designed to reduce clutter and maintain safety, these cable ties are a reliable solution for anyone seeking quick, clean, and reusable cable management. And our last choice is Oupeng Cable Management Ties. This 150-piece set of reusable cable ties is a versatile and practical solution for organizing wires in any environment. Each 6-inch cord organizer is made from durable self-attaching hook and loop material, allowing for easy dual-sided use and long-lasting performance. Unlike traditional zip ties, these straps are fully reusable, saving both time and money while reducing waste. Their multi-purpose design makes them suitable for home, office, data centers, and even outdoor applications. They can neatly secure everything from small charging cords to bulky power cables, keeping spaces organized, safe, and clutter-free. The ease of use is a standout feature. No trimming is required, and they open and close effortlessly for quick adjustments or reorganization. With 150 pieces in a single pack, you have ample supply for multiple projects, and responsive customer service ensures any concerns are promptly addressed. These cable ties are a reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly choice for modern cable management. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.